The Tomahawk missile is a long-range, all-weather, subsonic cruise missile used by the United States military. It's designed to be launched from surface ships or submarines, and is capable of delivering a variety of payloads, including conventional and nuclear warheads, against land and sea targets. Design and characteristics. The Tomahawk missile is approximately 20 feet, or about 6 meters, long, and 2 feet, or 0.5 meters, in diameter. It has a wingspan of 8 feet, which is around 2.4 meters, and a launch weight of roughly 2,900 pounds, or 1,315 kilograms. The missile is powered by a Williams International F107 turbofan engine, which produces 700 pounds, or about 3.1 kilonewtons, of thrust. The Tomahawk has a range of over 1,000 nautical miles, which is about 1,852 kilometers, and can fly at altitudes ranging from 100 to 1,000 feet, or 30 to 305 meters, above the ground. The missile's speed is approximately 550 to 600 miles per hour, or 885 to 965 kilometers per hour, making it a subsonic cruise missile. Guidance and navigation. The Tomahawk missile uses a combination of inertial navigation and GPS guidance to navigate to its target. The missile's onboard computer uses a digital scene matching area correlator, or DSMAC system, to match the actual terrain with preloaded images of the target area, allowing the missile to accurately identify and strike its target. The Tomahawk also uses a system called terrain contour matching, or TERCOM, to navigate. This involves matching the actual terrain contours with preloaded maps of the target area. This system allows the missile to correct its course and, ensure accurate delivery of the payload. Payloads. The Tomahawk missile can carry a variety of payloads, including a unitary warhead. That's a single, high-explosive warhead designed to destroy hardened targets, such as bunkers and command centers. Next, there's the dispenser warhead, which disperses submunitions, like bomblets or cluster bombs, over a wide area. There's also the penetrator warhead, designed specifically to penetrate hardened targets, such as reinforced concrete bunkers. And finally, the nuclear warhead, which carries a nuclear payload and provides a high-yield explosive capability. Variants. There are several variants of the Tomahawk missile, including the BGM-109 Tomahawk, which is the original variant and was first deployed in the 1980s. Then there's the UGM-109 Tomahawk, a submarine-launched variant that was introduced in the 1990s. The TACTOM, or Tactical Tomahawk, is a variant developed in the 2000s, featuring improved navigation and communication systems. And finally, the Tomahawk Block 4, which is the latest variant, introduced in 2004, and it features improved accuracy and reliability. The Tomahawk missile can actually be launched from a variety of platforms. First, we've got surface ships, like cruisers, destroyers, and frigates. Then, there are submarines, including Los Angeles-class and Virginia-class attack submarines. And lastly, the Tomahawk can also be launched from land-based launchers, such as the Mark 41 vertical launching system. The Tomahawk missile has seen action in several military operations. For instance, during the Gulf War in 1991, it was used to attack Iraqi targets. Later, in the Kosovo War of 1999, it was used against Serbian targets. In the Iraq War of 2003, the Tomahawk again targeted Iraqi positions. Then, in Libya in 2011, it was used to attack Libyan targets during the Libyan Civil War. And most recently, in Syria in 2017 and 2018, the Tomahawk was used to strike Syrian targets in response to alleged chemical attacks by the Syrian government. Overall, the Tomahawk missile is a highly capable and versatile weapon system that has played a significant role in modern military operations. Its long range, high accuracy, and ability to carry a variety of payloads make it a valuable asset for the United States military and its allies. Russia is deeply concerned about the Tomahawk missile because of its exceptional capabilities and potential to shift the balance of power in the conflict with Ukraine. The Tomahawk is a long-range subsonic cruise missile that can hit targets 1,250 kilometers to 2,500 kilometers away, carrying high explosive warheads designed to penetrate hardened targets like military bunkers. What makes the Tomahawk particularly worrisome for Russia is its precision-guided technology, allowing it to strike targets deep within Russian territory. Honestly, remarkable accuracy. This could enable Ukraine to target strategic military installations, logistics hubs, airfields, and command centers that are currently out of reach. Russian officials have warned that the supply of Tomahawk missiles to Ukraine could be seen as a significant escalation, potentially triggering a strong response from Russia. Former Russian President Dmitry Medvedev even suggested that such interference could lead to a war involving, quote, weapons of mass destruction. Furthermore, Russia is concerned that the Tomahawk's advanced technology could be used to gather intelligence on Russian military capabilities, potentially compromising their national security. The Russian government has repeatedly emphasized that it views Western support for Ukraine as a threat of force, and has warned of severe consequences if such support continues. The Tomahawk is a long-range, all-weather subsonic cruise missile used by the US Navy for land attack missions. Here's how it works and why it's so lethal. How the Tomahawk missile works. 1. The launch phase. The Tomahawk is launched from a ship or submarine using a vertical launch system, VLS, or a torpedo tube. 2. The boost phase. After launch, a solid rocket booster propels the missile out of the launch platform and ignites the main turbofan engine. 3. The cruise phase. The Tomahawk then enters its cruise phase, where it uses its turbofan engine to maintain a steady altitude and speed. 4. The guidance phase. The missile uses a combination of inertial navigation, GPS, and terrain contour matching, TERCOM, to navigate to its target. 5. The terminal phase. As the Tomahawk approaches its target, it uses its digital scene matching DSM system to recognize the target and guide the missile to the precise impact point. Why is the Tomahawk missile so lethal? 1. Range and accuracy. The Tomahawk has a range of over 1,000 nautical miles, 1,852 kilometers, allowing it to strike targets deep within enemy territory. Its accuracy is also exceptional, with a circular error, probable, CEP, of about 10 to 20 meters. 2. Stealthiness. The Tomahawk's small radar cross-section and low-altitude flight profile make it difficult to detect and intercept. 3. Precision guidance. The Tomahawk's advanced guidance systems enable it to strike precise targets, reducing collateral damage and increasing the effectiveness of the strike. 4. Warhead options. The Tomahawk can be equipped with various warheads, including high explosive, penetration, and submunitions, making it effective against a wide range of targets. 5. Flexibility. The Tomahawk can be launched from a variety of platforms, including ships and submarines, making it a versatile and potent weapon system. The combination of the Tomahawk's range, accuracy, stealth, and precision-guided capabilities make it a highly effective and lethal weapon system.